So together with spiritual healing, we have some natural foods, fruits, vegetables, etc. that are being used. Could you share an example with a non-Muslim patient that come to you?
Okay.
With one, for example, some special problem and how you go about doing it.
Okay, well basically, yeah, basically what I do, and I was actually taught this from the Chinese perspective, is to sit down with somebody. And to really, so in Chinese medicine, they talk about the situation between the mother and the father is really key. So from the moment of conception, when the egg meets the sperm, that actually has something to do with your predisposition. It doesn't mean that you have to adopt it, and you know, if you have a predisposition, so we get into conversations about, you know, is there cancer in the family, is there diabetes, or you know, what, you know, like to call them instead of diseases, what's the word, opportunities or challenges. Oh, scary labels. That's what I had. Somebody had taught me about that. That scary labels, because they don't have to be a death sentence.
Right.
So anyway, so you get this, you know, so you get an idea of where they came from, and we also talk about, you know, we get into their relationship. We get into a little bit of the psychology and, you know, who's who in the family and what the pecking order is and things like that. So you get an idea. But most importantly, I ask them to sit with what is it that they really want for themselves? What do they want to receive from this session? What do they really want most in their heart? They may say that they want to, you know, get a really great job, but what they really want is a beloved, is a relationship.
Right.
So I help them to the degree of what their heart is really crying for and needing.
Interesting.